Lake Mary. When the heat kicks on, your home should still feel calm. Infinite Air is here for fast, honest air conditioning service. From quick repairs to new system installation, we keep it simple and clean. Not cooling like it should? We'll check airflow, handle maintenance, and clean out ducts when they're holding you back. Serving Lake Mary, Sanford, and Longwood with work you can feel right away. For clear answers and a comfortable home, call for info